Today in crypto. Following an epic fail from pseudonymous analyst, Plan B, Bitcoin was trading at $50,000 on December 25, avoiding an unwelcome Christmas Day surprise for BTC bulls. Plan B's model failed many crypto investors who must be looking at their portfolios with disappointment, as the pseudonymous analyst's $100,000 Bitcoin prediction did not come true on December 25. BTC/USD maintained $50,000 support into the weekend, according to TradingView data, after ranging following local highs above $51,500. As the Christmas season began, the pair remained placid, with thinner liquidity yet to manifest itself in the form of violent price movements. With most traders and analysts taking a break from trading and analysis, the $1 trillion market cap valuation level at $53,000 remained the closest upside objective. Plan made a point of separating his floor model from the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model. The floor model failed in November and December, according to the analyst, as it did not reach the minimum expected costs of $98,000 and $135,000, respectively. Plan B had previously stated that if Bitcoin did not reach $100,000 in December, his stock-to-flow model would be invalidated, but he now appears to be changing his mind. Instead, Plan B stated in a recent tweet, "Let me be clear: 1. NOV 98K and DEC 135K miss equals floor model fail 2. DEC 100K miss. I have said earlier that if BTC, Plan B, at 100 trillion USD, December 24, 2021 Plan B, reportedly stated this summer that if the Bitcoin price did not reach $100,000 in December, he would consider S2F useless." Related article, Plan B. The next 6 months will make or break famed Bitcoin model following criticism over Twitter statements he claims were misinterpreted. Plan B noted that Bitcoin would continue to follow his model's projections. Investors and experts are split. While many investors are debating if the floor model failure marks the end of S2F, Willy Woo, a Bitcoin on-chain analyst, has a different perspective. Plan B's opinion did not define S2F, according to Woo, because models existed independently of their designers. He wrote on Twitter, "A model is a model. We can look back on years from now and know whether it gets invalidated. Certainly not from some arbitrary line in the sand, even if it's from the creator." While a prediction from the recently invalidated floor model of $135,000 this month proved to be unduly optimistic, that figure as an average price for this half-cycle remains in play. Plan B has previously stated that models do not have to be perfect in order to work. Related reading, why this U.S. Congressman compared Bitcoin investment with playing the lottery. This year has been monumental for the cryptocurrency sector in terms of mainstream adoption. A recent report published by Grayscale Investments found that more than 1/4 of United States investors, 26%, surveyed own Bitcoin, BTC, up from 23% in 2020. With the holidays around the corner, financial services provider Magnify Money also found that nearly 2/3 of surveyed Americans hope to receive cryptocurrency as a gift this year. While crypto's growth is notable, there has also been an increase in the number of scams associated with digital assets. A Chainalysis blog post highlighting the company's 2022 crypto crime report revealed that scams were the dominant form of cryptocurrency-based crimes by transaction volume this year. The post notes that over $7.7 billion worth of cryptocurrency has been taken from scam victims globally. According to Chainalysis' previous research, this number represents an 81% increase compared to 2020, a year in which scamming activity dropped significantly compared to 2019. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. In his monthly crypto tech column, Israeli serial entrepreneur Ariel Shapira covers emerging technologies within the crypto, decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain space, as well as their roles in shaping the economy of the 21st century. When trying to examine the non-fungible token, NFT, economy as it has been shaping in recent months, two main trends can be discerned. On the one hand, a completely new market that allows various artists to join a new creator economy, the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, Various types of pixel art creators and creative flickers, such as the creator of long-necked women's paintings, the sale of which brought the artist, only 12 years old, close to 1,394 Ether, ETH, equal at the time of writing $6 million. Ariel Shapira is a father, entrepreneur, speaker, cyclist, and serves as founder and CEO of Social Wisdom, a consulting agency working with Israeli startups and helping them to establish connections with international markets. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. 2021 has been the year of DeFi, NFTs, the metaverse, and GameFi. These trends leverage the power of blockchain in an attempt to provide users with new experiences. Together they have the potential to transform billion-dollar industries and integrate them with the digital economy. The first big game to break into the mainstream was Axie Infinity, with an innovative model that allows players to receive rewards for the time, effort, and creativity that are put into their games, called Play to Earn, P2E. Despite its recent popularity, a lot of projects have been working on integrating NFTs, the metaverse, and creating a unique experience for players around the world. In that sense, we sat down with the team behind the popular game Elemental Knights that recently launched Gensokishi, a play-to-earn and GameFi model that will revamp its mechanics and player experience. Available on Switch, PlayStation 4, iPhone, and Android, Gensokishi is the first step into a digital and P2E ecosystem supported by the blockchain, and a revolution that could advance the progress of Web3 into the hands of the people. This is what they told us. The metaverse is one of the more ambitious ideas throughout the blockchain industry. How have you managed to be this far ahead of the trend? Yes, as you said, metaverse is not easy and takes time to build. For us, Gensokishi Online Meta World is based on a 13-year-old game titled as Elemental Knights and has accumulated 8 million downloads. It won the GameStar Award Taiwan in 2012, and we have 25k active monthly users. In-game messages are open 80,000 times a day. We think we've gotten this far because we provide so much freedom for our users. This is an MMORPG, so users will tag team with other players to clear missions and find rare items. We have multiple worlds and continents where they can explore. And you may imagine, this will be the base of the metaverse. With communities equals users, then GameFi/P2E with Web 3.0 and NFT to build a metaverse with our project. We are ready for it. How does the in-game economy and user retention impact token value, and how do you address these challenges? Yes, like above I mentioned, the game has 13 years experience on user community building and branding. We'd like to invite all users, including the old fans and new coming users from the crypto world. There are 2 tokens we are going to use at Gensokishi. We keep the governance token, MV, valuable, and also the price controlling of in-game crypto. ROND is important too. We keep the economics ecosystem running well in the game, just like in real world, to keep it steady so that our users could enjoy anything besides the rebounds per game adventuring in Gensokishi world. When will you do the land sale? What is land? Thanks for asking. The land, which is a piece of map in the Gensokishi world, as we announced, is acquirable only if you have enough MV tokens staked by an auction event to own. A land is a certain area in the game. You could do anything you want on it, like building your own castle UGC function, put your favorite monsters to beat other players, or use it as an advertisement for you or your company. Other players, if they want to get your rare NFTs, they have to pay some ROND token as a ticket into your land, then start playing. It will be the owner's space, so everything is possible. Can you tell us more about what UGC to earn means? Per the words user-generated content, UGC is an object such as weapons/items/equipment or NPC, non-player characters, that users with some MV token stake it could have the rights to build on their own. This would be an entirely new concept for a GameFi game. You could just enjoy playing the game with the UGC or make it more valuable and then sell it on the NFT markets. This is another P2E, play to earn, style of Gensokishi. Are there any IP or major companies entering the UGC space? Simply answering your questions, yes. We already had some IP collaboration in Elemental Knights, and will definitely do the same or even more IP/anime/enterprises collaboration on the UGC part. It will be the most interesting and profitable model. Can you give us more details about the game and tell us about its world? First of all, It's a free-to-play game. Register using your social media account, and boom, you can start playing instantly. No need for MetaMask or crypto knowledge to start playing. And the quality. We are not starting from scratch, we have an established base. To achieve the level of quality we already have on hand, would take at least $30 million to make, in perhaps a span of 5 years. And like I mentioned, the game design is top-notch, and when we say users can generate their own content, UGC, we really mean it. The freedom and detail in which you can generate content is what we've reached after these years of brushing up Elemental Knights. You could tag with many friends from all over the world, beat the super monsters to get some really rare NFT, then have it on sale on the market. And there are also many worlds waiting for users to adventure, to find the treasure, NF, or seek land to really own it. Furthermore, as a metaverse project, it's a free world. You could just make friends and enjoy the events or create events. What does MV Token give to owners? Can you tell a bit about its design? MV Token is our governance token, built on the Polygon network. Users will need to stake a certain amount of tokens to generate their own unique original items, characters, worlds, and castles. As we're making this game into a DAO, voting rights will be given to holders as well to decide in-game policies and the game's ultimate future. You can also stake it to earn in-game tokens ROND. Why did you choose the Polygon network to base your game on? I myself am also enjoying some other GameFi on Polygon and felt the possibility, speed and low gas fee. Nowadays ETH is the most popular blockchain, but with the high gas fee it's not suitable for gaming. But people still love to trade on ETH. So as L2 of ETH, Polygon resolved the issues of our GameFi team. Also Polygon has the most active users on the market, so that's the main reason we choose Polygon as our partner. Also we had built the official partnership with Polygon Studio. What are your grand future plans for 2022? Thanks for asking. First I want to share that we are going to have TrustPad as a launchpad platform partner running EDO in Jan/2022. And also we'll be releasing the first super rare NFT auction. Except the EDO we aim for MV token listing on some SEX/DEX, for more awareness and liquidity. Also for the UGC feature and land auction we'll be releasing after the official launch in August/2022, but if possible would like to make it happen even earlier. For global users we're working hard on everything that Elemental Knights never did. This would be very exciting and I hope you could join us. Please explain in detail the partnership with TrustPad and Def Launchpad Association. We are really excited and thankful for the partnership. We had a great conversation with TrustPad and they are willing to help Genso Kishi gain more awareness in the EU/UK area, with the powerful DeFi Launchpad Association, which is organized by lots of DeFi/GameFi launchpad platforms to help do the marketing. I never thought of such a great partnership but really appreciate it. We are going to work harder on the project. With love. Is there anything else the community should know? Genso Kishi Online Meta World's whitelist lottery, which ran until December 19th, was a huge success with over 100k entries. As a gesture of appreciation to the partnership with TrustPad and to the many people who participated in the original whitelist lottery, Genso Kishi has announced a second whitelist lottery with a total value of $10,000. The whitelist lottery will end before the launchpad. The period during which you can participate in the lottery starts on December 22nd, 2100 hours, GMT+8. And ends until the launchpad announcement. Everyone is encouraged to enter the second whitelist lottery by clicking here. According to a new study, more than half of Americans believe that using crypto payment provides firms a competitive advantage. According to a recent survey conducted by payment network Mercurio, 57% of respondents felt that taking Bitcoin payments will provide businesses a competitive advantage. More than a third of businesses indicated that consumers had asked to pay in Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, or another digital money, among other facts. Customers agreed, with 58% of shoppers wanting cryptocurrencies to be accepted as a form of payment. According to Mercurio's research, it should come as no surprise that calls for crypto payment acceptance are increasing, given that a third, 34%, of UK finance organizations currently make payments via the blockchain. In order to compile the report, 501 key financial decision-makers in the United Kingdom were polled. Large enterprises employing more than 250 employees made up over half of the sample size. 40% of the responders are board or director-level executives, with the rest being partners or business owners. The recent announcement that Visa is introducing its own crypto consultancy service to help clients navigate the world of cryptocurrencies reflects this need. With fintechs clamoring to leverage crypto technology, important industry players like Revolut are already considering launching their own crypto exchange to widen their offering, indicating a potential new era for the widespread acceptance of digital currencies within the financial services environment. Petr Koziakov, CEO and co-founder of Mercurio, said, "Our research shows that 75% of all large companies believe that cryptocurrencies will at some point be integrated into all forms of financial services." Related article: Croatia's largest supermarket chain rolls out Bitcoin payments. Smaller firms, such as e-bike sellers, shoemakers, and fintech startups, have stated their conviction in cryptocurrencies as a corporate asset in a series of interviews on the situations. Despite the fact that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payments account for a small portion of their total sales, they claim it is a growing and valuable service. BitPay, Coinbase, and Block, for example, are always willing to assist businesses in making the shift to taking cryptocurrency payments. However, getting your paycheck isn't as simple as it is with cryptocurrency, a fast-growing trend that will attract top personnel in 2021. Internal construction of these complex crypto infrastructures often takes years, Koziakov noted. There are still barriers to implementation that are slowing the pace of adoption. As with new technology, small business owners aren't afraid to admit that they believe digital assets will play a role in their operations in the coming years. Although only a tiny percentage of them already accept Bitcoin, the majority believe that other types of assets will be accepted in the next years. The majority of cryptocurrency exchanges are currently being used to help with crypto payments. According to the research, 33% of respondents said a lack of clear regulatory clarity in the market is a barrier to participation, while 27% said scams are a concern, and 28% are concerned about exchange rate volatility. Related article: calls for Tesla to resume Bitcoin payments as mining reaches 57% renewable energy. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.